Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into all 4 board D. Insert wood dowel into all 2 board E. Insert wood dowel into board F. Insert wood dowel into all 3 board H. Insert wood dowel into all 3 board I. Insert wood dowel into board K, board P, and board R. Next, insert MINIFIX bolt onto both board A and B. Insert MINIFIX bolt onto all 3 board G. Insert MINIFIX bolt onto board L. Then, install Euro screw M5 onto the second hole of the metal drawer slide. Repeat the same step for board B. Then, attach board H and I to board J using CSK screw M5. After that, attach board G using MINIFIX cam making the front of the drawer. Then, attach board Z using nail making the base of the drawer. After that, attach 2 metal drawer slide onto board G. Repeat step 4 to build all 3 drawers. Next, attach board P and R to board C using CSK screw M5. Attach both board E together with board F to board C. Install CSK screw M5 in the middle of board Q. Then, insert nails on the edge of board Q. Then, attach board L using MINIFIX cam making it the front of the drawer. Screw CSK screw M3.5 on the first third hole and last third hole of the metal drawers to install it on the base of the drawer. Install all 4 boards D and board K onto board A using MINIFIX cam. After that, attach board B to cabinet body using MINIFIX cam. Then, install plastic leg stud on the bottom of the cabinet body. After that, attach board Y to the back of the cabinet body using nail. Next, install shelf support on both board A and B. Then, attach glass X onto the chest drawer. Lastly, insert all those installed drawers. Congratulations, you have assembled your chest drawer.